Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of home decor and crafting. From DIY projects to expert tips, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, join us on this creative journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to show your support. Your encouragement helps us keep creating engaging content that inspires and delights. Woodworking is a timeless craft that combines creativity, skill, and the beauty of natural materials. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are countless opportunities to create unique and functional treasures from wood. This guide explores a variety of woodworking projects that not only serve practical purposes, but also add a touch of charm and artistry to any home. From decorative boxes and handcrafted toys to elegant cutting boards and stylish plant stands, these projects allow you to express your creativity while honing your craft. Dive into the world of woodworking and discover the joy of creating lasting pieces that can be cherished for years to come. Here are some woodworking project ideas for creating wooden treasures. 1. Decorative wooden boxes. Description: craft intricate wooden boxes with lids that can serve as storage for jewelry, keepsakes, or trinkets. Use different types of wood for contrast and incorporate decorative carvings or inlays. 2. Handcrafted cutting boards. Description: design and build unique cutting boards using various hardwoods. Experiment with different shapes, sizes, and patterns, such as end grain or edge grain styles, to create functional kitchen treasures. 3. Wooden toys. Description: create nostalgic, handcrafted wooden toys such as blocks, puzzles, or vehicles. Ensure they are safe for children, using non-toxic finishes and smooth edges. 4. Wall art. Description: make stunning wall art by combining different wood pieces into a mosaic or abstract design. This can include geometric shapes or nature-inspired themes, showcasing the beauty of the wood grain. 5. Picture frames. Description: construct elegant picture frames that can hold cherished photos or artwork. Customize with different finishes, engravings, or decorative moldings to enhance their appeal. 6. Plant stands or planters. Description: build stylish plant stands or unique planters that add a touch of nature to indoor or outdoor spaces. Consider incorporating drainage and using weather-resistant finishes for outdoor projects. 7. Serving trays. Description: create beautiful serving trays that can be used for entertaining. Add handles and personalize them with carvings or paint for a unique touch. 8. Coasters. Description: craft a set of wooden coasters using various woods or designs. You can customize them with engravings or wood-burning techniques for added character. 9. Wine racks. Description: design and build functional wine racks that showcase your collection. Use creative designs to maximize space and ensure stability. 10. Bookshelves. Description: construct sturdy and stylish bookshelves that can be customized to fit any space. Experiment with different styles, from modern to rustic, and incorporate unique shelving designs. These projects not only allow you to create beautiful wooden treasures, but also help develop your woodworking skills and techniques.